I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with macaroni salad, and we've got a spiral macaroni here, cooked al dente, 6 to 7, well, this is a little bit bigger, so it's 7 to 8 minutes. You want them a little firm, not too soft, so that it holds its shape while it's in a salad and you toss it about. Got some olives. It's a little bit more of Italian style here. A little bit of celery. Got some Parmesan. I kind of like making these type of salads a lot. Some cucumber, some tomato, so it's got a little sweet and savory in there. Hit it with some salt and some herbs. It's got some parsley, oregano, basil, and our salad dressing, which is a little vinegar, a little sugar, and some mayonnaise. Of course, you can just use straight up mayonnaise or a little ranch, whatever. You can even use Italian dressing, honestly. That's kind of yummy. A little olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Keep it simple. So here you have it. Spiral macaroni salad, Italian style. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. Thank you for joining me. For more information, you can visit me at my website at chefamy with 2es.com.